it is possible. It is possible to heal yourself with herbal teas. So for those who do not know, I am an herbal tea practitioner. So that means that I help people put their bodies on the path to wellness using herbal teas. So I'm an expert in herbal tea blending, an expert in herbal teas, and knowing exactly which herbs to put together to create an effective blend for your wellness issues. So back to the question, can you heal yourself using herbal teas? First of all, over 50% of medication, guess where it comes from, y'all? Just guess, wild guess. It comes from herbs. Herbal tea is just a form of herbal medicine. You have so many different forms of herbal medicine. You have tinctures, salves, infusions, syrups, herbal teas, capsules, and tea is just another administration of herbal medicine. And it's actually one of the more potent administrations of herbal medicine. So if you are an unbeliever, okay, hopefully this gets your mind going on just what you can do using herbal teas, just what wellness issue that you may be suffering from that you can actually remedy using herbal tea. If you want to learn how to blend and formulate your own tea blends, I am hosting my $10 tea workshop series starting next Monday throughout August, where you can learn how to make delicious tea blends for only $10. Make sure to click the link in the description box to sign up. I do want to share a personal journey of my own. I have been on my own personal health and wellness journey, and I put myself on the path to healing using herbal teas. I am somebody who struggled with so many different things, from severe anxiety to having daily panic attacks to having mild agoraphobia. Y'all, I had social anxiety. I don't want to be around nobody. I struggled from depression and so many autoimmune issues. And again, I was able to put myself on the path to healing using herbal teas. I'm not playing. And so far, I've probably made close to over 500 custom herbal tea blends, custom herbal wellness tea blends for you all, for people with individual health concerns, from people with big businesses and small businesses. I've created different wellness blends to help people with a variety of wellness issues, from a lot of common women issues such as PCOS, fibroids, PMS issues, endometriosis, severe menstrual cramps, infertility, postpartum care, diabetes, high blood pressure. Literally the list goes on just how many recipes that I have put together. And that's honestly what my brand is about. That is what beauty, herbs, and tea is all about, is educating you all on herbs, using herbs and teas for healing, as well as helping you all start herb-based or tea-based business to put your body on a path to wellness or to help other people. So I say this to say it is possible. It is possible to heal yourself with herbal teas. So I want to answer the question, how? How do you do it? Well, there is a science behind doing this. And as an herbal tea practitioner, throughout the years, I have learned different scientific as well as folk ways in order to learn how to use teas for the body. So you can't honestly just go and take some tea, drink some tea, some Lipton's tea from the grocery stores. That's not gonna work, okay? The teas in the tea bag is not gonna work. It is not going to do what it needs to do. You need to, number one, use high quality loose leaf herbs. Number two, you have to take the correct dosage. So again, taking 2 teaspoons of an herb just may not cut it if you want to take it for certain wellness issues. And number three, you have to have a plan or something called an herbal tea protocol. So in my past course that just concluded on Sunday, I taught my students how to make an herbal tea protocol. Now I know you're asking, Real, what the heck is an herbal tea protocol? Well, an herbal tea protocol is just like an herbal protocol that you would get from seeing a clinical herbalist, and it contains your herbal tea recipe. It also contains your dosages. It also contains lifestyle recommendations, nutrition recommendations, and and dietary recommendations, as well as how to take your tea. So it's a complete protocol on how to change your life for the better. So know that you're not just taking tea, you're also changing your diet. You're also taking certain supplements. So it's a complete full protocol. Let me know if you all are curious about getting more wellness-based videos from me, such as, you know, developing an herbal protocol, or maybe being able to put yourself on a path to wellness using herbal teas, highlighting certain herbs, herbal recipes. Let me know. I'm trying to figure out which direction to take this actual channel. So please drop down in the comments what you all want to see from me moving forward. Do you want to see more tea recipe videos, more videos on herbs and herbal benefits? Do you have an herbal business and you still need help starting your herbal business? What videos do you need to see, or would you like to see on starting your herbal business? Or do you want to see lifestyle videos? Y'all, I am over here on a farm. Do you want to see more videos of me farming and growing herbs and turning my land into an herbal retreat space and an herbal teaching space? Let me know. Help me out, y'all. First, thumbs up this video. It's been a minute, okay? I need to get back in the algorithm. But help me out and thumbs up this video to push it to people who may have forgotten about me. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.